In the textile industry, every application has different compressed air requirements. That's why SCR offers a complete range of air compressor solutions designed for every need. SCR LHPM Series low-pressure 2-stage screw air compressor. Power from 55 to 250 kilowatts. Free air delivery from 4.5 to 62 cubic meters per minute. Operating pressure of 4.5 or 5.5 bar. SCR PM Series, premium industrial grade rotary screw air compressors, power from 22 to 75 kilowatts, free air delivery from 0.8 to 13.3 cubic meters per minute, pressure options of 7, 8, and 10 bar. SCR GPM Series, high-speed direct drive, twin-screw oil-free air compressor, power from 37 to 45 kilowatts, free air delivery from 5.5 to 7 cubic meters per minute, operating pressure of 7 or 8 bar. From low-pressure applications to industrial-grade performance and oil-free compressed air, SCR provides the right solution for every textile operation. SCR air compressors, available in Pakistan through High-Tech Machinery.
Welcome to High-Tech Machinery Corporate Headquarters, Pakistan.